Oh my God, he start recording now. I promise. Well, maybe I stopped it.
I'm stuck. Careful, baby.
Look at the ladder. Grab that ladder with your hand. Or just hang off of it. Both hands on, both feet on the ladder. I need you to turn around and face me, please. Step up one. When you get to the bottom, you're going to disconnect yourself from this. Into the ladder. Walk to the edge of the platform and stand near the green bag. You're going to reach way up high on the tether and you're going to give it a jiggle towards me.
Shake it.
Shake your tether towards me. Reach way up high and shake it towards me.
Oh, fuck.
There you go, right there. Just a little fast jiggle. You got it, dude. Let's keep shaking it, baby. Shake it, baby. Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Must be jelly, because jam don't shake like that. You're almost there, dude.
This camera's gonna hit him up.
Got it. Now you're getting a good workout. Feet down, hands on. Grab the ladder. Climb up one. Stop. When you get to the bottom, you're going to disconnect yourself from this when you get to the bottom.
So that last one?
Yep. Now we go to the water zip if you want to do that one. Climb on down. Awesome. Edge of the platform, stand up there.
Dave, did you have it in recording?
You know what? I'm gonna have him.
Now it's recording.
No, been recording, but it didn't record to halfway. I think I pressed it because when we were going up, it was recording. I didn't stop it. I want to see this here.
Where are you guys from originally?
We're from
Iraq, man.
Iraq?
Yeah.
Hold this one on here.
we can record ourselves.
I can't see, babe. He's the lucky one.
Babe, he needs to unstrap you.
Okay, here we record it. Ah, man.
Right on.
Thank you.
Head on up the hill, drop your gear, and come on back down.